Welcome to Tech Beads. Today we will delve into an inspiring world of home projects worth your attention. From creative DIY furniture to ingenious robots, join us as we explore these captivating ideas for your next venture in home projects worth taking ideas from. You might consider constructing a coil gun right in your very own home workshop. However, it's crucial to emphasize that the creator of this video strongly advises against attempting this potentially hazardous endeavor. The underlying principle behind these firearms is deceptively simple: the capacitors in the coil store energy, generating an electromagnetic field that propels the projectile forward. The model showcased in the video may not boast pinpoint accuracy, but it certainly packs enough punch to pierce through a glass bottle. Undoubtedly, these DIY contraptions are not suited for everyone. Nonetheless, their affordability remains a key selling point, with the components tallying up to approximately $20. It's no wonder they've captured the attention of many, racking up thousands of views on YouTube. The importance of lawn aeration, a practice vital for moisture and nutrient absorption, has garnered significant attention. At first glance, this contraption bears a striking resemblance to a medieval weapon, but its true purpose swiftly becomes apparent: it's a bona fide aerator. The creator asserts that this aerator is not only cost-effective but also refreshingly uncomplicated. However, its somewhat substantial weight may pose a challenge, considering that it's advisable to aerate your lawn 3 or 4 times during the warmer seasons. "60 hours of diligent craftsmanship, distilled into a concise 40-minute video, unveils before us a remarkable telescope nestled on a Dobsonian mount. This mount proves to be a celestial companion of choice for ardent stargazers, particularly those who possess telescopes with lens diameters exceeding 200 millimeters. There are at least 2 compelling reasons for its popularity. First and foremost, it's remarkably affordable, with the possibility of crafting a Dobsonian mount even from humble plywood. Second, it offers unparalleled practicality as it requires no tools for swift assembly and disassembly at the observation site. This particular rendition is tailored to accommodate a telescope with a lens diameter of 254 millimeters, and the maker's adeptness with woodcraft is evident from the outset. With years of experience in woodworking, this artisan's talents extend beyond telescope construction, as they also craft exquisite musical instruments. If you yearned for a more serene experience, akin to Jacques Cousteau's mesmerizing exploration of the undersea realm, why not embark on the journey of crafting your very own underwater tracked drone? The ingenious creator of this marvel took an unconventional route by harnessing electric actuators sourced from car window regulator motors, employing a total of 6, with 1 dedicated to each track and an additional 4 adorning the manipulator arm. To date, this aquatic robot has delved into depths of up to 5 meters, successfully retrieving an eclectic array of items ranging from a humble hammer and a cannonball to even rugged railroad spikes. It's conceivable that a mass-produced iteration of this remarkable robot could pique the interest of a wide spectrum of potential buyers. In today's assembly of creators, this craftsman is renowned for conjuring up both pragmatic and utterly unconventional projects. As you delve into his repertoire, you're left to ponder where this particular endeavor falls on the spectrum. But before we dive into it, let's establish some context. Since the 1950s, the global automobile population has undergone a doubling ritual roughly every decade. This phenomenon implies an ever-expanding reservoir of car components for the industrious DIY enthusiasts. Cars meet their demise due to the inexorable march of time, unfortunate accidents, or even capricious weather, gifting resourceful makers with a plethora of raw materials. Among them, numerous inventors have orchestrated remarkable feats. After an arduous span of 40 hours, these truck rims underwent a metamorphosis, evolving into a wood-burning stove replete with integrated ventilation, tempered glass for enduring heat, and a sturdy ash management system. It's time to crank up the temperature on your screens as we introduce you to a creative fire enthusiast and his handcrafted fire-spewing device. This marks his second iteration, and in comparison to the initial model, it's notably larger in scale. Crafting this fiery marvel demanded around 200 hours of painstaking labor, which encompasses the entire filming and video editing process. One can only hope that the expenditure of approximately 500 units of currency didn't cause undue strain on his financial resources and that the wielders of these flamethrowers exercise prudent discretion. With the appropriate adjustments, these DIY contrivances can project flames as far as 10 meters. However, our ingenious inventor remains receptive to suggestions for enhancements, so we eagerly await more sizzling videos in the future. Curiously, the DIY flamethrower has garnered fewer views compared to its counterpart, the homemade sander. The craftsperson behind it meticulously documented a 12-minute video, offering an intricate glimpse into the assembly process. Additionally, they put their brainchild to the test, drawing in a substantial audience and a wave of favorable feedback. What are your thoughts on this? The initial DIY enthusiast in today's lineup displayed remarkable thoroughness. Initially, they fashioned a gear-cutting contraption before adroitly piecing together this miniature hand-powered drill. The DIY virtuoso crafted each part single-handedly, embarking on an extensive journey to ensure both its functionality and aesthetic appeal. By artfully blending aluminum with ebony, they gave birth to a drill that bears a striking resemblance to vintage firearms. Remarkably, this DIY artist reports that it offers exceptional comfort during use. Curiously, this isn't their inaugural foray into the realm of drill making. Recently, they crafted a pint-sized electric drill using a diminutive motor extracted from a camera. This endeavor garnered over 1.5 million views and attracted numerous potential buyers in the comments section. Our next venture is sure to captivate the interest of automobile enthusiasts. The creator, along with their devoted followers, has given birth to a solar-powered electric car, aptly named the Pixel. Remarkably, this vehicle showcases a design that can rival the likes of a Tesla Cybertruck, and it was painstakingly assembled within the confines of a garage, much like assembling Lego bricks. What truly sets this creation apart is the sheer elegance of its design. Beneath its streamlined exterior, you'll find Chinese electric motors and batteries, while the suspension takes inspiration from a VAS 2109. If you strip away the solar panels, it still boasts an impressive range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge, requiring a reasonable 6-hour recharge time. As for performance, this vehicle can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour. Technically speaking, it classifies as an all-terrain vehicle, ATV, delivering a humble yet practical power output of around 6 horsepower, translating to a total of 4 kilowatts. Talking about automobiles, let's explore how camping experiences can be elevated to a new level of comfort with these ingenious DIY crates. These versatile boxes serve as more than just storage units, they transform into fully functional kitchenettes, brimming with an array of thoughtful features. Within their compact confines, you'll discover a gas stove, a collapsible sink, neatly organized compartments for utensils and provisions, a convenient table, and even cleverly designed holders for paper towels and refuse bags. The level of craftsmanship on display is nothing short of professional grade. Should you desire tailored furniture or other wooden creations, the creators are at your service, offering custom-made solutions and consultation services at a rate of $150 per hour. A walking UAZ? The question that naturally arises is why? Well, the creator's response is simply, why not? The rationale behind this project may be a mystery, but the creator generously shared not only a comprehensive video but also a list of the necessary components. Now, let's delve into the details of this engineering marvel. Beneath its exterior lies a 1500 mAh battery and an Arduino Nano, cleverly concealed under the hood. Intriguingly, the most time-consuming aspect was the fabrication of the 11-piece body. Crafted from ABS plastic, the creator had to meticulously work with files and sandpaper to shape it to perfection. The resulting scale of this creation is an impressive 1/16. For control, the model relies on a smartphone connected via Bluetooth. As a noteworthy aside, this walking robot marks the creator's inaugural foray into the realm of self-designed robotics. Congratulations are certainly in order for this achievement. Furniture, much like any other art form, possesses the potential for boundless creativity. For example, consider the Top Gear shows innovative use of a Jaguar V12 engine as a table base. Alternatively, you can explore the realm of imagination with this LED-lit table that offers customizable lighting controlled right from your smartphone. Crafted primarily from MDF and crowned with a glass tabletop, this masterpiece integrates an Arduino board, a Bluetooth module, IR motion sensors, and an array of LED strips. Despite its intricacy, the creator insists that this project is replicable at home with dedication and patience. Furthermore, an Android application is readily available, and beneath the video, you'll find convenient links to acquire all the essential tools and materials for your DIY journey.